Hi, my name is Krish. Welcome to this journey through advanced business strategy and competitive advantage. Today we are going to study the chapter, which is business models and value creation. In this chapter, we'll explore how companies build and adapt their business models to stay competitive, create value, and grow sustainably. Understanding business models. A business model explains how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. It's like a blueprint for running a business. Different industries use different models based on their goals and resources. For example, Toyota, a manufacturer, produces cars and sells them through dealers. In contrast, a retailer like Walmart buys from suppliers and sells directly to consumers. Understanding these differences helps businesses design strategies that suit their goals. Types of business models. Let's look at some common types. A manufacturer makes goods, like cars or clothes. A distributor buys in bulk and sells to retailers. Retailers sell directly to customers. Franchise models allow others to operate under a brand, like McDonald's. Then there are modern models like subscription-based businesses, like Netflix, marketplaces like eBay, and SaaS companies like Salesforce. Each model creates value in different ways and serves different customer needs. Value proposition design. The value proposition is the reason customers choose one brand over another. It answers questions like, what problem do we solve? What benefits do we offer? Businesses need to understand the customer's pain points, what bothers them, and gains, what they want. The more specifically a business solves these problems and provides benefits, the stronger the value proposition. A good example is Slack's promise, where work happens. It's clear, simple, and to the point. Revenue streams and cost structure. Every business must know how it earns money and what it spends. Revenue streams can come from product sales, subscriptions, licensing, ads, or commissions. For example, Airbnb earns through booking fees, and Spotify earns from ads and subscriptions. On the other hand, cost structure includes fixed costs like salaries and rent, and variable costs like materials. Profitability depends on how well revenue and costs are managed together. Network effects and platform models. Some businesses become more valuable as more people use them. This is called a network effect. For example, WhatsApp becomes more useful when all your friends are on it. A platform model connects two or more user groups, like Uber connecting drivers and riders. Platforms grow fast because they enable valuable exchanges and benefit from more users joining. Think of YouTube, Amazon Marketplace, or the App Store. Freemium and subscription models. A freemium model offers a free basic version and charges for premium features. Zoom, Dropbox, and LinkedIn use this. It allows users to try the product before upgrading. The subscription model, used by Netflix or Adobe, brings in regular income through monthly or yearly fees. It also builds strong relationships with customers, which helps improve the product using their feedback and data. Measuring subscription. Success businesses that use subscriptions track some key numbers. Monthly recurring revenue, MRR, shows how much regular income comes in. Customer acquisition cost, CAC, tells how much it costs to get a new user. Customer lifetime value, CLV, shows the total money a customer brings over time. Churn rate tells how many people cancel. A healthy business earns 3 times more from a customer, CLV, than what it spent to get them, CAC. Disruptive business models. Disruption happens when a simple product starts small and takes over the market. For example, Netflix started with DVD rentals, then moved to streaming, and finally into original shows, changing the entertainment industry. Amazon started with books and is now an everything store. Robinhood disrupted stock trading by making it free and easy. Disruption begins by targeting ignored customers and moving up with better solutions. The business model canvas. This is a visual tool to understand how a business works. It has 9 parts: customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, cost structure. It helps teams design or improve models by seeing the full picture in one place. You can use sticky notes, brainstorm, and adjust the plan quickly. It's very practical for startups and big firms alike. Resource-driven business models. Some companies focus on using their resources to win. These could be physical, like Hilton's hotels; intellectual, like patents or technology; human, like expert consultants at McKinsey; or financial, like Berkshire Hathaway's investment power. These resources give them an edge and help them stand out from the competition. Innovation in business models. Innovation isn't only about making new products, it's also about changing how a company creates, delivers, or captures value. This could be using new tech, targeting new customers, or copying smart ideas from other industries. The best companies always ask, how can we serve people better in a new way? Value capture. Mechanisms. Creating value is not enough. Companies also need to capture it. This means converting value into money. They can do this directly through sales or subscriptions, or indirectly through ads and data. For example, Google offers many free services but earns through advertising. Knowing what people will pay for helps companies position themselves and succeed.